Telling y'all, man, I'm about to stay real consistent with these videos, man. I'm finna start dropping a lot of videos for you guys. Know what I mean? If y'all want longer videos, guess what y'all finna get? Some longer videos. Some Mercedes. Come on. Bathroom time. Bathroom time and bath time. Look at that, boys. Come on. No Photoshop over here. Fully functional dogs. Fully functional. 10 months old. Bath day for the bulls. Trying to let the bulls take a bath. Clean up this dog room because these dogs are making a big ass mess. That's what I have loyalty on right now. Formulated for puppies and pregnant or nursing dogs. Gonna clean up these cages. And for Papi Chulo, I can't even put no pads in his cage because he be ripping them all up. I got a new microscope on that's coming. It should be here within the next week or two. It checks the motility, the concentration, and all that. It comes with a little iPad and everything. That right there, everybody been, because the microscope I got right now, it just checks the semen to show you guys that it's swimming. But the new one that I got, it shows everything, like the ones that the vets be using. Y'all make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn that post notification bell on. Y'all check out that new ride. Yes, sir. Put some new shoes on my baby. This that dog money. That real dog money. Look at that. Anytime y'all see this tailgate, y'all take a picture, post it in your story, and I'm gonna bless y'all. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, baby. Yeah, sir. Hard work and dedication. It's hot out here. That's why she's sounding like that. She's really starting to overheat. When I posted this tub on Facebook, man, like 60 people asked me where I got it from. Yeah, mommy, you feel good, don't you, baby? It's okay.
I wish I was you.
Shit, we need I regret selling our pool. Or getting rid of our pool. Because right now, that shit will come in handy.
It looks so good. Mercedes. And of course, everything is on Amazon. Whatever you need, it's there.
I posted her for sale earlier.
You did?
On Instagram, and everybody was like, how much, how much?
Oh, shit.
But I was just playing with y'all, man. She ain't for sale. She's going to Enzo, and then Punch right there about to go so crazy.
Hell yeah. He's mad beautiful.
I just wish she liked stacking or walking on me. She don't like none of that shit, so at them shows, it's gonna be hard as fuck. This tub is helpful as fuck, so I ain't gotta take them a shower inside no more. None of that. And it drains right over there.
She's loving it though because she's just sitting there.
Usually she's going crazy trying to jump out. You wanna let me cut your nose? Your nails? Stop. Stop. Mercedes. We're almost done.
Here comes the sun again.
Right? Hold on, mommy. I'm almost done.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl, mommy. You're almost done. Our back toes really don't need it. It's just the front ones. I don't know why. They be fucking going like crazy.
You don't do her face a little bit?
Yeah, I'm about to. Easy Good, mommy. Oh, you loving it, huh? You loving it, baby.
We need to do like a teeth thing too
I know, right?
on all of them.
If I leave her out here in the sun for like 5 minutes, she'll dry her damn self off. How hot it is. Look at shit, mommy. Crazy.
Are you ready, baby? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Come on, Bobby. It's your time to shower. Think about. Come here.
He's like, no.
Yeah. Oh.
He's heavy.
Yeah, I can tell how hot it is out here because my phone just overheated, so I couldn't even record me showering Papi Chulo. But look, y'all check them out right there. Yes, what's up, Papi? Yeah, I know it's hot out here for you, baby. You better go back inside too. Show me another Lilac Tri Extreme Pocket that's hitting harder than Papi Chulo, man. Come on, get back. Look at that boy, man. Extreme Pocket. Full tail, clean feet. Come on, man. Come on, Papi. Let's go. But that's it for today's video. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Day in the life of a Florida breeder.